Thank you very much. And now, Mr. Kalfin, you have the floor.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Of course, I know that the budget is a very good topic to discuss and defend political positions of the groups. But this is also a very good moment to take responsibilities. All the colleagues, and I would support very much what the Commissioner said, all the colleagues that claim that there is no result from the negotiations between the Parliament and the Council simply missed the last 9 months in the Parliament. We have achieved much more improvements and structural changes in the European budget. Yes, we are not happy with the size of it. But I'm sure that this is, and I would like to inform the Commission and the Council, that this is the time to start working and looking ahead. The margins are not enough, and the Council has to be prepared to react outside of the budget with additional resources to new circumstances that can appear. The own resources are an absolute must, not only the establishment of the working group, but the result in 2016, and the Parliament is going to insist. The payments have to be secured, and we are going to keep insisting on that. The Council and the Commission have to make much more visible the European added value of the budget, and we are going to make sure that at the mid-term review, the value of the European budget is much more visible than it is now. And finally, I would like to thank all my colleagues that I had the privilege to work with Alain Lamassoure, Jean-Luc Dehaene, Reimer Böge, Anne Jensen, the Commission and several councils that we reached this agreement. And of course, I thank very much my group for the support I had during all this time. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We don't see Mr. Trzaskowski in the room. So, if this is the case, I close the debate with a dream, namely that after this fantastic